Hey everyone, welcome back to Hot Tub How Tos, brought to you by Isaac's Pools and Spas in Johnson City, Tennessee. My name is Matthew Croy, your host and spa consultant, and today we're going to talk a little bit about filter maintenance and knowing when to replace your spa filters. There are a lot of different types of spa filters, a lot of different shapes, sizes, but one thing they have in common is all spa filters have to be cleaned and replaced eventually. As for maintenance, you always want to at least spray the filters out every 3 to 4 weeks, and then every 6 to 8 weeks it's good to properly degrease the filters with a spa filter cleaner. As for the life of the filter, your standard paper filters that most spas use will typically last 10 to 12 months if taken care of properly. However, there are some filters like the TriX Filters from the High Life collection from Hot Springs that are actually made from a hard ceramic material. These filters can last up to 5 years if maintained properly, but you still clean them just as often as you do the paper filters. As for how to know when to replace your spa filters, like I was saying before, paper filters will typically last 10 to 12 months. So if the filters have been in your spa approximately a year, it's time to change them. Other than that, they will start to show normal wear and tear. They can become degraded. There is a band that goes all the way around the filter. If that ever breaks or comes apart, that's also a sign that it's time to replace your filters, along with discoloration. As for the TriX filters from Hot Springs, these have a life of 4 to 5 years, so they do last a lot longer than the standard paper filters do. And as to know when to replace the filter, once you reach that 4 to 5 year mark, the filter will start to become discolored and it will start to become brittle. Come see us at Isaac's Pools and Spas in Johnson City to purchase your new replacement spa filters.